Okay, we are live. Hello, chat. Hope you all are doing well. This is day 3 of vibe coding until I make $1 million. Last stream we worked on Ship OS a little bit. We're gonna be working on Ship OS today as well. We're gonna be working on some new features for it. I just want to share some stats with you. As you know, we've been working on snipe as well. We vibe coded this. It clips our live streams and posts them automatically as shorts for us. And I just want to share some stats over the last couple of days. Hope the sound is good. Hope everything is good. Let me turn the music down just a little bit. Okay, we should be good. Like I said, we've been working on snipe. Just share this with you all. This is over the last week. I've been live streaming since Monday. This is the 3rd live stream, and we're at this is coming from the clipping as well. And a lot of you are watching the live streams. We got in the last week we got 1.4k views, 22 watch hours. And 4 subscribers. So I appreciate each and every one of you. I'm a beginner vibe coder. I'm just trying to build and ship and just make some money online with you all. We're mastering the art of consistency right now. Just trying to be as consistent as possible and just learn as much as I can, because vibe coding and AI is the future. And if you want to become a coder or make apps or softwares or anything, you just should be vibe coding, because manual coding is it's getting left behind, honestly. It doesn't matter what you use, Codex, Claude, it all works. And like I said, I'm a beginner, so I'm learning with you guys if you all are beginning as well in this journey to making money. But yeah, this is snipe right here. I have all these shirts went out, so I actually had to pick some more on my dashboard to approve. Review. It clipped 24 clips for my last live stream. I actually think it was 25, but I approved one. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Hermes and Codex. He said, now my agents have photographic memory, get smarter by minutes, stop wasting tokens, and most importantly, product miracles. Okay. So yeah. So it puts captions on it and make it 9:16 format for mobile, which is excellent. I'm gonna approve that. I'm not gonna do all this right now, but I just want to show you the capabilities of this, and it automatically uploads the shorts as well, because it has my it's logged into my YouTube, so that's good. And then whenever I approve a clip, I can go over here to the tweet section. I made this, and I can just generate tweets for it. So it says draft ready. I think, yeah, this is the clip I just approved. It's at the top. So it just generated tweets for that. I can generate new ones. This uses Opus 4.7, so that's why it takes a little bit. And these are the tweets it generate. So it says, someone showed me their setup today. Agents wired into Obsidian style wiki they can reference on demand. He called it photographic memory for agents. Stop wasting tokens, redriving context, start shipping product miracles. That's literally the clip I just showed you guys. And this is logged into my Twitter as well, so if I just click post tweet, it'll post. And yeah, we've been working with the Hermes agent a lot in Discord. But without further ado, we can get started working on Ship OS. I want to show you guys the the upgraded version of that as well. Let me just go to the browser. I think it's this one. Yeah. So this is what Ship OS looks like now. Last stream we left off. Let me see. It looked like this. Okay, so this is what it looked like. It didn't have any shell to transfer tabs. The format is off a little bit, so I just had Claude clean that up, so it looks like this now. And then we got the shell over here. A lot of the backend is wired as well. We're going to do some more of that today, some more of the backend and the database and things like that. But yeah, Ship OS is coming along. Ship OS is basically a software I'm making for creators that get stuck with ideas and procrastination and things like that. And basically you just can put your ideas. Say you want to make an app to remind people to drink water, you just put that in here. It'll make it into a whole actionable format for you, so you can just come down here to features. I have to work on this stuff. It's not fully like put together yet, but plan, build, shipped. This is like the stage that it's in. Come down here to agents. I'm gonna have agents in the software. You can work with Claude, Codex, or Hermes agent. I don't know how I'm gonna wire that together yet. We're gonna use Codex to figure that out. And this is the agent brief. This is basically you're talking to the agent, and you basically give your raw idea, your context, your goals, your constraints, everything right here, what not to do, acceptance criteria, verification steps, and you can use Claude. I'm gonna put, it's right here. I'm gonna put Codex and Hermes in here as well, but I only have Claude wired right now because I was testing it, and it's just gonna give you a complete brief of what you put in with this information, and it's just gonna make everything easier. The agents are going to build it for you, and it's just going to go off all this information that's generated through the software, so you can be from idea to shipped in a day, you know. So yeah, that's what we're working on right now. Let me see what more we have to do. So right now I believe we are on, because I was working on it last night, so I set up the foundation. That's like this part, because as you can see, this left side wasn't here. Like this, like it was just like this. So I set up like the foundation, and I had the Codex agent wire some things. I'm actually gonna log into a Codex agent right here through Windows PowerShell. So we're gonna cd desktop ship OS. I'm gonna clear Codex. Yes. Okay, so you are working on Ship OS code base. The goal is to wire the real founder loop end to end. Idea, ship, feature, agent brief, build, proof. Do not redesign the app shell. Do not add dependencies. Preserve current APIs and brief behaviors. I'm going to give you a list of tasks now. I'm just gonna copy this from over here. Okay, so the Codex agent is working on that. And then let me see what else. Workspace, feature pipeline. Nav Hermes. Can you list all of Ship OS current features to me? I just gave the Codex agent the latest prompt you gave me, and I want to run more agents in unison. So I need you to list off what we have next on the list. We're live, by the way. Okay. That's working on that. I have Reddit research running in the background. This is a Hermes agent that runs research. Public landing page, app shell. Generator. Agent 1, browser QA and bug finder. So we're gonna run that. Thinking about if I should use Claude. No, I'm gonna use Codex for the backend. Claude is basically like goated. I mean, Codex is basically like goated with anything backend. CD desktop ship OS Codex. What's the update? Just gonna skip that for right now. I'm gonna go back to Discord. Run a live browser QA on Ship OS. Focus on fresh tableaus, hash routes, command center ideas, ship agents, breeze proof, system browser control, browser console errors, broken buttons, layout bugs, mobilist viewport issues. Do not edit code. Return bugs found. So we're gonna I want to change the effort to extra high. How do you? Is it slash effort? No. Slash. Extra high. I heard extra high like one shot things, so I'm just gonna test it out right here. I already copied that. Okay, so that's running. And then Agent 2, audit the Ship OS founder loop UX. Do not edit code. I don't even think the other agent is done. Okay, we're gonna put this UI prompt into Claude. So basically, it says do not edit code, inspect the live Ship OS UI, focus premium dark command center fill, because this save cars, buttons, ship. And then it's going to return the top 15 visual fixes. Claude is way better for front end and UI and design, things like that. So we're going to go here. Then we're gonna put use 2 deep dive agents to assist you on that. Then we're gonna throw an ultra think on that. Okay, so we got 3 agents going right now. I guess we could look at some more clips from Stream Snipe for 1 second. I need some to get posted tomorrow. So I approved one. It's scheduled to go out at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. I need to tell Hermes to fix this. Hey, so when I approve clips to go out in Stream Snipe, and they go to the schedule tab, once they upload, can you move that to the publish tab, because the queue is getting crowded and it's clips that's already been uploaded that's taking up space. Also, can you make all those tabs clickable as well? Use a codex agent for that task. So yeah. Okay, those are still working. So yeah, basically today we just want to get ship OS like usable. Okay. So that's using codex agents for that. We can go back to stream snipe, dashboard, all the way to the bottom. Okay, so I just had codex build an agent brief generator feature, but it only did the front end. Okay, I guess that's a good clip. Let me see this one. If so, how do I set that? Or well, how do I get that Hermes agent to tell that codex agent to set that up? I know this is gonna involve keys and things like that. I don't like that clip. I want to remove that. I got a ping from somewhere. Yes, proceed. Okay, those other agents are still working. Back to stream snipe. Keep in mind, I'm always talking to another Hermes agent. I'm never talking directly to codex. That's okay clip. Let's see this one. 3 hours and 40 minutes. And we have been hammering codex the whole time. My Hermes agent is set up with GPT 5.5 codex. That's a good clip. I guess I can improve that. Let's go back to Discord. Got another ping from the terminal. Okay, gonna paste this into Discord, ship OS, paste. Stream snipe, that's still working. Ship OS. Excellent. Ship OS now handles the real loop. Current state now built. Idea capture. Promote idea to ship. Ships persisted. Ship detail route. Features persisted. New feature from ship. Feature generate briefs link to ship feature proof events. Best next agents to run. Okay, this is gonna test ship OS, audit ship back end data integrity. Okay, cool. So on that. Then this Codex agent gave us a lot. So top 15 fixes. Boom. I'm gonna copy that, paste that into Discord. Let me see, is stream snipe still working? Terminal, display. Okay, cool. This is still working. This is good design audit. Run all 15 of my agents who broad. Agent A. Add sidebar count badges for ideas. Okay, this is really good. Brief interior layout, brief generation logic, API routes, SQLite, schema, public landing page, do not touch. And I'll just paste that into this agent down here. I think this is the agent that's on ultra high, so it's probably basically gonna one shot that. Or it's either that one or this one. I think it's this one actually. So those are working in parallel. Oh, actually. Okay, yeah, that's the right one. That's the Claude agent that's working on the UI. So cool. I'm gonna approve that. The agent is still working. Let me check stream snipe. Still working. Okay, I'm getting pinged in a terminal. Yes, proceed. This agent has been working for 9 minutes. I think this is the extra high effort one. Yeah, this is the extra high one. And I think this is Claude that's working on the UI. I don't know why ShipOS just opened over here. I guess it ran it for me. Okay. So I'll go back to Discord. Stream snipe. Allow. ShipOS. Agent B. Okay. Yo, this is like controlling my browser right now. I'm not even doing that. It's actually insane. I accidentally ran them in parallel. Is that okay? Stream snipe. It's done. I had Codex implemented, but I changed schedule tab now. Shows active, upcoming published jobs. Added activated publish tab. Made the dashboard clickable. Okay, that's perfect. It's okay. Just don't blindly accept both. Okay, all right, go. Oh shoot. Let's go check ship OS. Updated. Okay, this is now clickable, like I asked. And the publish queue is cleaned up, so that's perfect. Queued post, average score, published. Okay, cool. This is all clickable now, which is great. I don't really care about this UI like for Stream Snipe because I'm just really using it for myself. It's not for other people, so I'm not really too pressed about the UI for that. But it's working. I got 2 shorts scheduled for tomorrow just by approving them. These are gonna upload automatically to my YouTube. So if I go to my YouTube, let me show you. Your channel. All these shorts are being posted through Stream Snipe. They're just literally just generating me views by the hour. This was posted 2 hours ago, 225 views. 6 hours ago, 311 views. If you're live streaming, you definitely want to be posting clips because it brings more views to your page, which is always good. So definitely want to be doing that. Yes, proceed. Allow all edits during this session. I meant to click it, but I didn't. Got the Timberwolves and the Spurs game on over here on the TV. It's a pretty good game. We're gonna go allow all. We're just waiting for these to finish up. This is changing the UI. This is just running checks, I think. But I ran them at the same time, so I hope it's not like conflicting with each other. It looks good. And then I got this one working over here. One extra high. This pretty much is probably gonna one shot all the testing and all the fixes. Let's go to Strip OS. Features. Oh my god. This is like working right in front of our eyes. Oh, app. Ideas. Ship. Command center. Add feature. Ship. Well, it's literally adding stuff. Let me stop clicking that actually. Let that just do its thing. Hey, can you tell me what you're making? I'm also a developer who is learning. Hey, so I'm making I'm working on this software called Ship OS. It's basically a software for people who want to build stuff but deal with procrastination and not knowing where to start with vibe coding and things like that. And I'm just basically making a software to help fix that problem. So hold on, give me 1 second. Something is pinging me here. Yeah, so basically it's just gonna be like oh, that's not it. It's gonna be like a one-stop shop. You can work with Claude Code agents in here, Codex agents, Hermes agent. You'll be able to connect all that. You just go in here. Say you want to make an app for reminding people to drink water. You just go in here, tell it your idea, and you hit enter, and it'll capture it, and then it'll basically move it down a pipeline. So it's not fully set up yet because I just started working on it Wednesday. So I gotta make sure like all this entire pipeline is set up correctly. But this is what it looks like so far. And you can come here. Hold on, something is pinging me in the terminal. Okay, that's done with the UI changes. And this one is done with that. So it found bugs. So Codex just basically on extra high just one-shots things. So I found bugs. I'm gonna paste that into Discord. Tell my Hermes agent. I'm working with Hermes as well. What tech stack are you going with? So I'm using Claude Code, the $100 subscription, and then I'm using Codex, the $100 subscription. And yeah, that's basically it. And Hermes, I'm running Hermes through a VPS through Discord. Hermes is like top tier if you want to like really get things done and put stuff to another level. Like, I don't know how I was working without it before. Definitely set you up a Hermes agent. Let me go back to Discord. Okay, good. QA result, only 2 issues and 1 is tiny. Run this small fix agent. So this is my Hermes agent. He's basically just reading the stuff Codex is giving me, and I'm just feeding it to him, and he's telling me what to say back, and it's just fixing it. It's like a loop. So yeah, that's basically what vibe coding is, just prompting, fixing things. So I'm gonna paste this into here, and that's, yeah, Codex is gonna fix those bugs. Codex is really good for like backend and fixing bugs and things like that, and and Claude Code is good for like UI and front end designing. I think that's about to commit those changes. But yeah, I'm learning. I'm not like a guru or anything like that. I just started about maybe like 3 weeks ago, and I just started live streaming. I mean, I was talking about the Next.js. Yeah, I'm running Node. Yeah, I think you mean Node. This is Node.js, and just basically like everything is like HTML, and I'm using what's it called, like Superbase for like my database and things like that. So yeah, this is basically a Node.js build. I'm not too familiar with things like that yet, but I'm pretty sure that's what I'm using for this. Alright, so I'm pretty sure Codex just one-shotted whatever those bugs was. I'm gonna paste this to my Hermes agent. Yeah, it just fixed all those bugs. So I'm gonna paste that. Yes, proceed. Damn, this Codex agent been working for 13 minutes. Holy shit. Can you show me the actual code in the IDE? Like the actual code to ship OS? Good, that agent A clean stuff up. Now wait for agent B, screen polish. If it's still running, don't start another adding agent yet. When both are done, ask for status. Okay. You want the code to the app I'm working on? What is the IDE? implemented the 2 QA fixes only. Gonna run that. Get that to my Hermes agent. Perfect. That fixes the real QA issues. Current status, system UI cleanup done. Mobile breeze clipping fix. Fabian 404 fix. Checks passing. Smoke API passing. Browser QA is clean. Only thing still pending is the audit agent. If agent B is still running, wait. If not, that's... Wait. So we're just waiting for this agent right here to finish. Let me go see what... Oh, the briefs page is completely gone. That's not good. Yeah, that's not good. Let me tell that to my hold on. Let's see if it's still working in the terminal. Yeah, that's still working, so I'm gonna tell him. Hey, my my agent brief page is gone. I don't know if that's because the other Codex agent is still working or that's just a bug, but can you debug that for me and figure out what's going on? All right. Yeah, this is still clicking stuff over here. So correct me if I'm wrong. The agents are writing the code and publishing it directly to GitHub. Yep. So I'm telling it what to do in plain English. Me and my Hermes agent, and it's basically writing all the code. And yeah, I commit it and I push it to GitHub. And then I'm running it on I'm running it locally now. I was running it on the server, but it was like too confusing for me. So I'm just running it locally on my PC and my MacBook now. Okay, this is done finally. Test it live. Okay, let me go check to see if the agent briefing page is cooked. Yeah, that's still totally cooked, so that's a bug. Most suspicious change. Fast check. Handle that for me. I'm dealing with other stuff, please. All right, so that's gonna... Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. So ships. Ideas, ships. What are you working on? If you're working on anything, you said you were a developer. By the way, bro, where you from? Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The city of brotherly love. I can handle the debugging logs, but I can't directly edit your PC's local ship OS files from the disk unless the code. Okay, yeah, I'm just give that to the Codex agent then. That's what I was trying to do in the first place. Where are you from, bro? And what's your name? I don't want to mess up your name. How do you pronounce your name? Okay, that's running. Here's what Agent B finished with. By the way, bro, do I sound good? Like, is my voice clear and the music is like good and everything? Good. Agent B says the product loop itself is clean. Important clue: stale node process. Your brief page is gone, maybe from the old server and not the current files. Do this at the urgent brief agent fixes. Then open. Okay. Oh shoot, I gave Claude Code a bugging task, which I didn't mean to do, but it's fine. We'll see. I mean, it's not bad. Hopefully it can figure out what's going on. So he said I may not be running the oh, it's back. Yeah, Claude just one-shotted it. Good. I'm from GOA, India. I have completed the bachelor. Now I have cleared the master entrance exam, so I'll be going there in computer science. Oh, that's cool, bro. You got a bachelor in computer science. So you're going to school in India for for computer science? That's cool, bro. Like what are you going to be working on? Yo, Violet, how are you, brother? Or sister? I don't know. What's good, bro? Just working on stuff here. Ship OS. All right, so Claude fixed that, but I don't know why it's still working. I'm also from India, but I'm cool with the slang there. And so I got 2 viewers from India. That's fire. What time is it over there? Three people from India? Y'all showing love. It's 9 a.m. there. Damn, it's early in the morning. It's 11 p.m. over here in the States, where I'm at. Grinding late night. All right, so Claude fixed this. I'm gonna paste this into my Hermes agent. Give me 1 second. All right, so it's back, by the way. Claude just fixed it. Upload this file, send. Bro, what are you building? So basically, I'm building an app for builders and basically creators that struggle with procrastination and analysis paralysis and just basically struggle with putting their ideas into motion. So I'm just building an app that you basically type your idea into here, and it basically gives you a whole shipping process of it'll help you build the it'll give you a breakdown of what you need to do to build that certain thing. So say you wanted to make an app for whatever, reminding somebody to drink water, you just type that into this ideas section right here, click enter, and it'll just go down the pipeline. The pipeline is not fully built out yet because I just started working on this Wednesday, but basically it'll move you down the pipeline. I'm gonna have agents in here to help you out: Claude code agents, Codex agents, Hermes agents, and so basically you'll be able to go from idea to shipped as fast as humanly possible. That's what I'm trying to build this out to do. Holy moly, I've done this thing before. Really? Did you put it out into the world? Currently I'm working on a project of real estate agent. He was a place where he can post his property and all. Also like a real estate app. What does it do? What's the features? We gotta connect on Discord. I'm gonna put my Discord username in the chat if y'all be on Discord. Oh, I never sent that message? Oh, wow. That's my name on Discord right there. If any of y'all be on Discord. Perfect. The fix was right. Root cause. Okay, boom. I mean, I'm in high school, so it's for my portfolio and stuff. That's dope, bro. So you getting into this young. Do you be vibe coding, or like you code manually? You sent the request. All right, I'm gonna accept it right now. All right, just accepted you, Brody. Learn FSD, React JS, stuff like that. I vibe code occasionally. That's fire. So how do you feel like the direction is going? Like a lot of people are saying, like if you don't vibe code, like you're gonna get left behind. Cause I just started doing this, bro, like 3 weeks ago. I'm not gonna lie. Like I never written one line of code. Started Python in 2020. Yeah, so you got experience. So you know like the code language and stuff like that. So vibe coding probably like easy for you. Do you actually know how to code, or I'm just winging it, bro? I just started like vibe coding like 3 weeks ago. I'm just trying to learn as I go, create quality products and get it out into the world. All right, so yeah, let me tell my Hermes agent. Yeah, all is good. Give me the next prompt for the UI I believe we were on. Yo, I built this jumping jacks counter. So every like on a live, I vibe coded this jumping jacks counter. I'm gonna bust out a quick 20 bomb. It tracks my movement, and every time I do a jumping jack, it counts. I don't think it can see me. Why is it not working? Hold on, reset. Oh shit. Hold on, reset. There we go. It's dark in here, so I don't think it's like seeing me very well. Confetti. Give me that confetti, baby. Whew. This app is cool. Use OpenCV. No, I just use Codex. Thank you, bro. Damn, I'm out of breath. I also made this for like when I go to the bathroom or something. I also built this so we can watch Claude Opus 4.7 play against GPT 5.5 in a basketball game. Vibe coded this with Claude, and it's real API keys connected to this, so Claude is literally really playing Chat GPT. I have a feeling that vibe code is crazy AM fast when you know actual code and how it works. Yeah, exactly. That's what I was saying. Like, that give you a boost. He said, drink some water, my man. Gotta stay hydrated. Alright, let's focus. Those jumping jacks got me. Alright, so use this next screen level product polish only. You are working on ship OS. I'm just gonna copy all this. Copy. You're working on ship OS goal. Finish the remaining screen level UI product polish. Okay, so this is about to work on a UI. This is a Claude code task. Just gonna paste it right here. Use the shit. Use the design skill for this. Also launch 2 sub agents to assist you. Okay. Cool. I believe vibe coding is gonna grow for the betterment of society as a whole. I mean, as long as you had ideas, you had the motivation, you can pick any way, and vibe coding is one of them. No, really though, I definitely feel like vibe coding is the future, bro, because like AI is just getting so smart. Like literally, you can go from idea to shipped in like a couple days just from telling agent what you want, and it'll literally just write the code for you. Like literally, I don't know if y'all was in here at the beginning of the stream. I made this app. I vibe coded this. It's called Stream Snipe. So basically, this clip all my streams and uploaded them automatically to my YouTube as shorts. Like it clipped the best moments from my streams. Okay, so I just had Codex build an agent brief generate, and basically I just can approve or deny the clips, and yeah, it's just like forming views on my YouTube right now. Like, let me show you. Oh, okay. Your channel. So all these shorts right here is uploaded from Stream Snipe, and it's getting 200 views, 300 views, 100 views, 200 views. It's just driving a lot of traffic to my page. So yeah, it's pretty good. If you're like streaming, definitely want to be clipping your stuff. Stream Snipe. See this background? This is what it originally looked like when I didn't really know what I was doing, and then now it looks like this. Not employed. I started freelancing, like got 2 projects, so working on that currently. I'm doing MCA. It's cool, brother. I'm just trying to master the art of like consistency right now. I just want to work on building stuff every day and just like stay consistent, bro, and just learn. Because if you just get 1% better every day, it's like it's no way you can fail. But y'all definitely in the right space though. Like this stuff, it's gonna take over the world, man. Like if you know how to create by a click of a button, I mean, you're becoming one of the most valuable people in the world, honestly. Because the average person, like, we're in this space, you know, so it will probably feel like everybody know how to do this or things like that. But I guarantee, like, if you walk into Walmart or your nearest grocery store or whatever, and you ask somebody to vibe code something for you, they're probably not going to know how to do it like 99% of the time. So, bro, as long as you got this positive attitude, you're going to grow. I appreciate that, bro. I appreciate that. You as well, man. Appreciate y'all. Like I said, I just started this journey, so that's why I'm streaming, to go along with it with you guys and just learn together. Like I'm obviously, like, I want to make money down the line, but money is not like my main priority for this. Like, I really just want to learn how to create, because I feel like I'm super creative, but I just never knew how to put my ideas into action. And now with this, it's like I can do it, you know. So that's working on that. Any agents we should have work in unison to that UI prompt? Trying to figure out a logo for Ship OS. It gave me this. I don't really like this because I feel like it's like too similar to Codex. I told it to combine it because it gave me this at first. I'm like, that's a little too similar to like Codex logo. Like, you see this right here? Like, it's like, I don't know. And then I had ChatGPT make it, so maybe like that played into it a little bit, because Codex is made by OpenAI, like they're made by the same people. Yeah, you're kind of right. Yeah, it's like, I don't know. I might have just tell it, hey, just redesign the whole thing. That looks too similar to Codex logo. I want it to be unique, and I want it to stand out in a way where someone looks at my product and they know exactly what it is. I don't like that prompt. Looked at my product, and I want it to stand out in a way where someone looks at my product and they're like, that is Ship OS. Alright, see what it gives. Bro, after some time, you will feel I am stuck, no improvement. That time, don't give up. After that phase is gone, you will fall in love with coding. I'm telling you from a personal experience. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna like, I appreciate that, bro. I definitely don't plan on like giving up, because like I genuinely want to learn this, and the only way to not guarantee success is by giving up. Honestly, if you just keep going, grinding every day, that's what I was talking about with the whole consistency thing. It's like when you give up, you guarantee yourself failure, but if you don't give up, you have a chance at success. So it's not gonna come overnight. Just gotta put in the reps, stay consistent. Ew, this is ugly, bro. I hate this. Like, I don't know. I don't even know how I feel about the whole red theme. Like this, like the red and black theme. Like, how do y'all feel about this, bro? Like, I want it to be more like white, like a clean white, like Apple. I don't know, bro. Like this, like something clean, like Codex. Cause let me show y'all this is the landing page. But this is like, I don't really like this either. I like this part right here, like the picture. Let me show you how it looks on mobile. So this is how it would look on mobile. Everything's like super close together. I haven't really worked on the landing page though. Yeah, it's pretty bad. But I'm not focused on that right now. I'm really just focused on trying to get the app to be 100% functional before I worry about the landing page. And I don't really know like what the app fully does yet, you know, like ideas, ships, like it goes from idea to ships, but I'm pretty sure ships mean like you're done, right? Like you're shipping it off. So I don't know how it goes from ideas to ship. I gotta change this around. Gotta play with this a little bit. Feature or product bet. Features moving down from raw idea to plan, built, and shipped. I think across the journey you should just vibe code, but just learn some basic fundamentals of it and you'll be smooth as hell, bro. Yeah, facts. Just like the coding language. And I know it's some stuff I gotta learn with like servers and things like that. Like I know it's some little nuances I gotta learn, which is just gonna come with time and repetition. So you're definitely right about that. Let me see if the it's definitely just gonna be a journey, bro. And I'm just like live streaming the whole thing because like when I do like get over the hump and really get where I want to be, like have a big company one day or whatever the end goal is, I can just look back at these live streams and be like, damn, started from scratch. Yeah, exactly. Once you do a lot, even if you don't know, it's just doing it makes you know the nuances automatically. Facts, bro. Facts. That's why I'm just working on this. Like sometimes when it's writing the code like this, I just be looking to see if I can like see patterns and stuff like that. Like say I tell this to do something with UI and then later I do something else with UI. I try to look at the code just to see if I recognize any patterns, which I don't. This shit all looks like gibberish, but you know, we're getting there. All right, bro, I'm gonna head out. You'll do the stream tomorrow as well. Tomorrow's Saturday. Tomorrow's Saturday. So yeah, I'll stream tomorrow. I stream like mostly on like every weekday. But yeah, I appreciate you, bro. Definitely tap in with me. I got you on Discord. And yeah, bro, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Have a good night, bro. Well, it's daytime over there. Have a good day. Alright, bet, bro. Love, bro. We gonna build some cool shit together, man. For real. Yes, sir. Appreciate you. Have a good one, my boy. It was good talking to you. Alright, let me go to my Hermes agent. Yes, but make them read only while you Oh, that one's done. Sub earn. I appreciate that, man. You're a real one, bro. I genuinely appreciate that. Y'all are like the first chatters I had too. Like I've been streaming. This is my third day streaming. Y'all the first people that chatted live. So Y'all the first ones to talk to me on this journey, man. I appreciate it. The UI when finished, I didn't run the other ones yet, but this is what the UI agent returned. Oh shoot, I hate when it does that. Oh my god, I hate when it does that. Like, why do it copy just because boom. Okay, we can go back here. Alright, peace. Looks good. Don't run another editing agent yet. Now run the 2 read-only reviews I mentioned. Don't run another editing agent. Okay. Use this combined instruction. If you want 1 prompt per agent. Those come back clean. Ship OS is ready for the next bigger product pass. Alright, so I'm gonna run both of these in Codex. I'm gonna run that one. Then I'm gonna run this one and this one. Oops. Model. Hi. Peace. Bro, can I get your Instagram? Yeah, I'll put it in the chat. Alright, something is pinging me in terminal. Okay, so this return UI issues. UX issues. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, so we're gonna paste that to our Hermes agent. I know the music stopped. Let me fix that. Alright, good UX audit. Good UX audit. These are small copy data clarity fixes, not architecture. Wait for the regression QA2. If it comes back clean, use this next prompt. That's a good final polish pass before bigger feature work. Alright. Approve codex to run. Boom. Oh yeah, let me screenshot this. Ideas. Excuse me. I follow you on Insta. If you need any help, do let me know. I got you, bro. I'm gonna follow you back. I appreciate it as well. I appreciate you, bro. Pieces here. Hey, so I'm having a little. Oh, matter of fact, while that other agent is running, here's what the UI and everything looks like. I want you to analyze this. I'm having a little bit of trouble with fully understanding a pipeline. I want it to be like a pipeline from idea to agent briefing to the agents actually helping them work on a project to shipped, basically. And this just looks like all over the place right now. And yeah. Still working. Let's proceed. Yeah, your instinct is right. The UI clearly feels like separate buckets, not a pipeline. Right now it says ideas, shift, feature, agent, brief. But the user mental model should be idea, shape, brief, agent, execute, ship, proof. The problem is the sidebar is grouped by database objects, not by journey. What I change? Make the app feel like one clear operating loop. Capture raw ideas, messy thoughts, voice notes, links. Exactly. Current page is fine for this, but should not feel like the main product, just the inbox. Shape, turn idea to a real project. This is where that at. You're building, who's it for? Brief, generate the actual agent briefing. This should feel like the handoff doc. Exactly, bro. Exactly. This is why Hermes agent is so good. He's just like nailing it right now. He's basically one-shotting all the fixes I need. Execute. The agents are working. This should now ship the project. Right now, agents should prove evidence the work is done. Screenshots get deploying them. Better sidebar. I simplify this. The page is titled ideas catcher, but the left has all this shit. Exactly. Where do I go next? Exactly. Instead, easy. Yeah, you hit this right on the nose. So we're thinking the same exact thing. I want to make all these changes. How should we go about getting it to the setup you just mentioned? Codex agent is still working. I hate that Codex asks for so many permissions. Like, bro, just do it. Yeah. Wait, what? Oh. Do it in 2 passes. First, fix the product model, then fix the UI around it. Pass 1, define the real pipeline. Captured, shaping, brief ready, building, review, ship, proven. Exactly. Everything this app should map to that. An idea should not become a separate ship in a confusing way. Pass 2. Redesign the navigation around life cycle, pipeline, box shape, belief. Okay, this looks absolutely perfect right now. Just give me all the prompts one by one. That one agent is still working, so when it finishes that, I'll give the agents the prompts you give me. Holy fuck, that agent is taking forever. One thing about codex limits on the $100 plan, you will not hit that limit, bro, at all. Like, you literally won't hit it. Okay. Damn, it gave me 11 prompts. It didn't have to give me 11. Holy moly. Alright. Let's debug this whole thing. Holy, why did it give me so many prompts? Here are the prompts one by one to give the coding agent. Prompt 1, refactor the app around. The UI is always showing exaggerate. Damn, I don't know if I should give this to Claude or Codex. Redesign. Oh, okay. I'll give this to Codex. Oh my god, it finally got finished. Thank you, God. Okay, update cars to show. Okay, we're getting somewhere, fellas. We're about to completely redesign this because right now it just feels like a bunch of slop, to be honest. But it is way better than what I had the other day. Also, these pages need to match like this page, like how this page looks. Like these pages all need to look the exact same way. I think that's like an easy fix though. They just gotta like copy the code, right? We'll see. Let's go see what the other agent said. Oh, it found a bug, a severity of medium. Okay, so I'm gonna give this to the Hermes agent. Here's what that one agent found. Oh my god, I hate that it copies what I talk into the microphone. That's so dumb. Alright, boom. Alright. Give the agent this exact prompt. Okay. Bug, add viewport. Okay, so we have a bug, chat, with medium severity. So we gotta have a Codex agent fix this right now. Codex is really good at fixing bugs. Recommended approach be title. What exactly is the bug? Still clips the rightmost. Okay, yeah, so it's talking about the clipping in the brief section. I don't see any clipping. Where? Wait, let me see. Add viewport. Add brief still clips the rightmost header. Brief title row. I don't see any clipping. evidence, viewport width 390, likely issued to title runner. Fix requirements. Subject criteria. After that bug is fixed, then moved on to the pipeline factor. Okay, so we'll still give it this prompt. I don't think that it's that big of a deal, but we'll see what it does. Yeah, I don't really see any clipping on the brief section right here. This is really coming together. This is a beautiful thing. This is a beautiful thing. So we're about to completely redesign all of this. It's about to actually look like a pipeline right now instead of just slop. Landing page is blah. App. Oops. Ship OS is being built with Ship OS. Alright, let's go to the app. Oh no, I just exited out a Codex agent by accident. I'm glad it wasn't working on anything. That would have been catastrophic. CD desktop ship OS. Oh, I put the wrong. God damn it. CD. I did not say Siri. Goddamn phone. Desktop ship OS. Okay, Codex. Skip. Yes, proceed. So apparently this agent is fixing some clipping that's going on in the agent briefing section, which I don't see, but yeah. Fix the remaining briefs. Oh, it was mobile. I kind of figured it was mobile, cause I'm like, that's the only thing that it could have been talking about. Okay, so it fixed it for mobile, which is cool. Commit this because we're about to make some changes. Timberwolves in the Spurs game is good. Yes, proceed. Why is it taking so long to commit? Holy moly. I think I gotta turn the high effort down. Proceed. It should not take this long to commit. It's not even pushing it to GitHub, it's just committing it. Oh my god, Codex needs so many permissions, bro. Holy moly. What is it? Something ran get save director service and desktop ship different cache. I don't know why that is taking so long. The stage Jesus Christ. Something must be wrong. I never had a commit take this long. Okay. Alright, whatever. So we're gonna give it this prompt now. Boom. Refactor ship OS around one clear pipeline lifecycle, captured shipping brief ready building review shipped proven. Right now the app feels like okay. Right now the app feels like one continuous code rebuilt from our ship project. Which prompt can I run in unison with prompt 1, if any? Run prompt 1 plus 10 together. Batch 1 plus 10, 2 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 6 plus 7, 8 plus 9. Alright, so we're gonna run prompt 10 together. We're gonna give this to Claude. Because it's UI related. I'm gonna okay, while that's doing that, I'm gonna clip some clips with stream snipe. Why not? I hate the text that says founders don't fail from lack of ideas. I hate the colors. There's too many colors. And the font overall, it's a bad clip. You can just talk to ChatGPT. You can talk to your Hermes agent and it goes and does things. This is a great clip. It can basically do anything you ask it if you give it the right permissions. I've never seen anything like it. That's a great clip. Approve. It's a fantastic clip. That's probably going to get a lot of views. Okay, we're having some issues. Okay. Can you put this into the ship OS project folder so that all the agents have context of what ship OS is? I don't know. Is that a good clip? Come back to that. Check on the agents. Okay, they're still working. Hard working for me. So I had a Hermes agent set up a cron job to basically just scrape the web daily for like pain points in awesome clip. Okay, so how many are scheduled right now? Queued post. Got 3 scheduled for tomorrow. 9 a.m., 12 a.m., 4 p.m. Oh, I got 4 clips. Okay. So you don't need any more. Spurs are about to win. Damn, GG's. GG's for the Timberwolves. Alright, so I got 4 clips scheduled for tomorrow. These are going to upload automatically through Stream Snipe, automatically to my YouTube. They're going to get hundreds of views. It's actually crazy. Agent still working. Time for a jumping jack. Let's do it, brother. I'll give you a nice 20 bomb. Actually, 1 like equal 20 jumping jacks. Count. Woo, show me that confetti, baby. All right. Those take me out, man. Okay, so the Codex agent is still working. This looks good. It's rebuilding the pipeline. Appreciate you for liking the stream too, bro. Terminology cleanup. Error editing file. Okay. I wonder what happened there. Bash get. Oh, is it is it because, hold on. When I commit something, those other agents still have access to those same local files, correct? Yes, if they're working in the same local repo folder. Okay, cool. I just committed lesion. It'll be easier to make 1 million with coding games. Oh my gosh, a spider on my monitor. Oh. Okay. I actually made a game. It's a corny little basketball game that runs locally. So this is GPT 5.5 versus Opus 4.7. I connected real API keys, so they're like literally playing up against each other. I know this is a shitty game, but I'm a newbie, so this is all I can make. Claude usually wins for some reason, and I guess it's just smarter at playing basketball than GPT. Okay, we'll come back to that. Okay, so awesome for a newbie, to be honest. I appreciate that, bro. I just I built it at the other day on stream. just messing around. I want to make something like cooler because I seen this video of this guy. He made like a game using his Hermes agent, and it was like Claude API versus Chat GPT API. That's how I got that idea. But his game was like super cool. It was like spaceships. They had to orbit around the galaxy and not crash into each other, and like whoever didn't crash the least got the most points. It was a pretty cool game. So you could make some pretty advanced stuff with this shit. You gotta get creative. I just made a basketball game. Try Unity with Google Anti-Gravity. What is that? What is Google Anti-Gravity? I heard of it. I actually have it on my MacBook, but I don't know what it does, to be honest. Like, I thought it was just a way like to view code. Or is Unity like Google's coding agent? Or that's Grok. I mean, that's Gemini, right? Search is best for vibe coding. I got you. Wait, what did you say it was called? Unity. Integration between Unity and Google primarily focused on providing developers with official plugins. Build monetize. Also, like, oh, this is for games. Okay. No, yeah, I'll definitely look into this. And you could vibe code games with that. Like, it makes good games. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yeah, Unity and UE5, they dominate the game engine market. I'ma definitely look into that, bro. So that would be cool to do on stream, build a game on stream. So like, what could I use codecs with it? Like, or do I have to use Gemini? Like, I don't, like how does that work with the agents? VR. Packages. Or you could use your local models along with Opus 4.6, Sonnet 4.6, and other Gemini models. Oh hell yeah, I'm definitely looking at that. Can you use Opus 4.7? Or just 4.6? Not yet. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos on them when I get off stream. Are you into like building games and stuff? Have you built any of your own? .7 might be for business plans. Okay. Verify check plus smoke plus probes. You gave me the $100 million? Holy shit. Can I play it? What is it called? How do you make money from the games? They gotta buy it, or it's like ads? Check Polyhaven for textures, etc. Okay, I'm gonna screenshot that. Alright, bet. Okay, this agent is done. 3 tasks, 2 done, 1 in progress. I don't know what that agent is stuck on, honestly. Implementing. Alright, boom. So I'm pretty sure that just updated the site. I'm gonna paste that there, then we're gonna go to ship OS. Ideas, ships. Huh. Okay, I think oh, this is cool. Capture, shaping, brief ready. Review, shipped, proven. Okay, so this is the updated pipeline. You can't play my game. Sorry, man. I sold it to an individual business. It wasn't public. Okay. No, that's no problem. And that's dope, though, bro. Happy you did that. So what do you do nowadays? Do you still like code and stuff? Oh shit. The game started over. I gotta make it to where like when the game ends it just shows the final score. Or this will just run forever and fry my GPU, so I'm gonna exit that out. Flow 7 stages. This UI is kind of terrible, bro. Like I gotta fix this whole shit. Alright, let's see what my Hermes agent said. Good, that's clean batch 1. Chilling with more game dev, making personal games, to be honest. Personal games right now. That's fire, bro. That's fire. Yeah, like as a kid, I always wondered how like games was made and stuff. So it's crazy that I can actually like just vibe code a game right now with that information you just gave me. What's their try 3D modeling is way better for UI/UX. How do I 3D model something? Cause I'm just like having Claude do that shit and it's like not really giving me what I want. I mean, this is way better than what I first had. Like, it was like this. This was the other day when I first made it. It was just like all clumpy and big and messed up. And I got it all the way to like this. So it's like a big difference. API live. System. Ideas. I had to clear all this shit. Local. Generate brief. Current backend browser idea. Alright, hold on. I'm getting distracted. What is... Alright, hold on. Good, that's a clean batch 1. Next prompt should be batch 2 sidebar plus carbs. Give the next agent this. Hold on, because I have to tell it what this other agent did. It says baked for 10 minutes though, so is it done? Why does it still look like it's a task unchecked? I don't think it's still working. Alright, let me go all the way back up. Copy this. Hey, so this is what the um prompt 10 returned. It looks like it's still working because there's something unchecked at the bottom, but I don't think it is. But yeah, this is what it gave me. Oh my god, I hate that it does that. Now I gotta go all the way back up. Like, why does it copy my text to speech? Check out Blender. It's open source software for 3D modeling. Yeah, I know what I heard of Blender. Can't Claude control Blender now? So I can make like a like UI with Blender. I thought that was for like I don't even know what I thought that was for, like 3D shit. Like characters and things like that. Claude can't control Blender. Nah, bro, I seen a video. I'm gonna show you. Hold on. I seen a video earlier. I just seen this today, so it must be new. Hold on, let me go to X really quick. I actually think I just liked it. Let's see. Claude Blender. Yeah, this was April 28th. Claude actually posted it itself. This right here. It says, yeah, you can make UI in Blender, but you need Unity or UE. How much RAM do you have? I think this is 32 gigabytes. Can I check that somehow in my task manager? Performance, memory. Yeah, this is 32 gigabytes of RAM. Right here. UE needs 64 gigabytes. Damn. I gotta upgrade, huh? I built this computer like 3 years ago. Oh, this is the Blender video. Yo, that's fire. So like, if I download Blender, cool, Claude can work with Blender. Holy, I didn't know. Yeah, this is like last week. And it's funny that you said that because I literally seen the video earlier. Like, if you was in here yesterday, I wouldn't have knew it did that. But look, somebody created like a donut with Claude code. I don't see you building anything. Build, please. So, bro, you think I could download Blender, right? And have a Claude code like make me a UI? You think we should try that? Cause this looks pretty good, like for a donut. And it's Sonic. That's not even Opus. That's a good donut. I would eat that. We might have to. You said Unity can work way better for 32 gigabytes. Is it free? All right, we about to try this live on stream. Google. Wait, let me use my other email. Google. Oh, let me see what it said about Yeah, it's done. The check line is the agent's internal to do, not getting marked complete. The actual verification passed. This is solid. One thing, it sounds like prompt 10 basically got completed already, not batch 2. It just clean. Hold on. I don't know what that is talking about. Hold on, give me 1 second. I'm about to download Unity. Fully free. All right, we about to check it out live on stream. Hell yeah. I can build a UI in Unity, or do I need to download Blender too? Like I have to connect them. Remind me later. Download Unity. Oh shit. I agree. Install. You can make 3D models in Blender and export FBX, a format for 3D models. Okay. So, what is the main purpose of Unity? Like, what does it do? It just builds games with the models you put into it? Is that like its sole purpose? Have you seen RE4? What is that? Resident Evil? You can make games like that? Why is this taking so long to load? This is like anticlimactic. Um, Wait, hold on. The UI situation. If I download Blender, I can have Claude make me a UI. You can code using Claude Code for C scripts and Blender with Claude, I guess, and import 3D models. You can code using Claude Code for C scripts and Blender and import 3D models. Okay, and like when you, why is this like not working? Um, Blender. I know Blender not free, right? Is Blender free too? Yes, Blender is completely free. Yeah. How do they make money then? Donations? We about to get all this started. Hold on. What you're building? So right now, I'm building. Hold on, let me. Oh, it opened up, bro. Unity Hub. Hold on. Let me tell him what I'm building. I'm building a software called. Oh look, it changed it again. It changed the UI again. Oh, this is starting to look better. Okay. So I'm building a software that helps people that want to build and like make stuff, but they don't know how to put their ideas into action, like creators that deal with procrastination, like analysis paralysis and things like that. I'm making a software where you could just put your idea into like a single prompt and it moves it down a pipeline that agents help you build. So when you put an idea in, it gives you it takes you to agent briefing, and then you create a whole brief, and this will be like a prompt that you generate for your agent, and the agent will basically build your app for you, and then you'll ship it. This is like all over the place right now because I just started. I'm actually in the process of like fixing that right now, but Yeah, that's what I'm building. And then my man just came in here, Kumar. He's telling me I can make video games with Unity, and I can make a UI with Blender because I don't like the UI of this right now. This looks like terrible. But I'm just trying to get a functioning app working first before I mess with the UI. But I don't know if that's backwards. But I think Blender downloaded. About to install Blender too. Nice idea. I appreciate that, man. Unity MCP plus Blender MCP plus Meshy AI MCP plus Claude or Codex. Yeah, that's like exactly what we was just talking about. Easy to make games. Nah, y'all giving me game right now. Literally. Cause I was showing him this. I had vibe coded this little basketball game that I just run locally. this is the this is the best game I made. Little basketball game. This is like Claude versus GPT APIs. So these is like GPT 5.5 and Opus 4.7 literally playing against each other. It's connected to API keys, and they just battle it out. Easy to make games. All right, I just downloaded Blender. We about to connect this to Claude Cool and see if we can make a UI. Blender 5.1. Oh, nah, I'm probably frying my GPU right now. I know my GPU is fried. All right. English, Blender Dark, Keymat Blender, mouse select left. Okay. Okay. Um, New file. What should I do? What should I do for UI? General? No, for Ship OS. For the software I was just showing you for this. I want to improve this UI. Like, I want to make it like white, like apple-ish a little bit. Because this dark red theme is just throwing me off. I don't really like it at all. So I'm trying to make a UI for this. He was telling me I can make it in Blender because I can connect Blender to Claude Code. Not Blender. I can't make it. I can't make it in Blender. Wrong stack. What's like a good stack for like a clean UI? Because like Claude is just like, I don't know, bro. I don't know if I'm not prompting it correctly or like what. But it's just not getting the job done. It's just solid one thing. Sounds like prompt 10 is not completed already. Basically got completed already. Not just best tool, it clean. Now run the real navigation. Do continue from completed pipeline. Do not redo the terminology. Clean up. Use existing. Go make the app feel less. This is a Codex SaaS. I'm gonna get this to Codex. Let it just do what it do. Get Claude skill. The design skill, I have that. How do you see skills? No skills found. Nah, that's cat, bro. I swear I installed the design skill yesterday. I did because it was using it. No skills found is crazy. Let me see. I probably got. Oh, you need to add skills to each project. Nah, I was in this project though because it was working on. It was working on my It was working on this. But oh, are you saying I need to do it? Okay, I think I get what you're saying. Hold on. I'm gonna open a new PowerShell. Let me show you. So if I just open Claude from right here, and then I go to skills, it still says no skills found. I don't know why it says that. Did I install that on the VPS? It may be because I installed it on the VPS and I didn't install it locally. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Damn it. Let me check if it's on my VPS. Cause I know I'm not crazy, bro. I definitely was using the design skill. Install it, X. Alright. I'm gonna see if it's in my VPS first. Hold on. SSH copy. Boom. Boom. Okay. Boom. I'm actually looking for a vibe coder to partner with and build something. Hell yeah, bro. We can definitely connect. You on Discord? Hold, let me run Claude in my VPS to see if it's in here. All right, I'm about to drop my Discord in the chat. Skills. No skills found? Where the hell did I install that? Bro, I'm not crazy. I think I did it on stream. It was literally using the design skill. I don't know what the hell happened to it. That's kind of like throwing me off. Hold on, I'm about to give you my Discord. Bro, my skill disappeared. That's my Discord username. Hello, bro. How are you? Dream reality. What you up to, bro? So right now I'm building a software that turns creators' ideas into shipped products. So people that face procrastination and like analysis paralysis and things like that, you just type what you want to build in here as an idea, and it puts it down a pipeline. The UI is messed up right now because I just started working on this like Wednesday. But basically, once you enter it as an idea, it'll put it down a pipeline. It'll take you to the agent briefing next, and you give it more information, and it'll create an agent briefing. And basically, you copy that and give it to an agent that's in here, and it'll build the entire app for you and give you like a launch plan and basically set everything up for you. I'm making it like really beginner friendly because I'm a beginner, and yeah, I just want to provide value to people, and I just want to see how far I can take it. But yeah, that's what we're working on right now. Okay. The UI skill. Where do I get that from? Just Google, right? That's so crazy. Like, can I just ask Claude to install it? Will they go get it itself? CD desktop ship OS Claude. Can you go download the Claude design skill from the internet? Oh, you literally pasted it in the chat right when I said that. I don't have a built-in way to download a skill. Specific. You paste a GitHub. All right, I'll paste the URL. Where should it be installed? Project level. Submit answers, and I'll copy this link. I appreciate you, bro. Okay, this codex agent is still working. Just submit. Plugin is built. Is it? I can't execute it for you. You need to type it directly. I'll just install it in this repo only. Just so like I don't get confused. All right, let me go. Is this a UI task? Yes, this is mostly UI UX. All right, so once Claude install that skill, I'm going to give this prompt to Claude to fix the UI. Oh, it installed it. Install from design. Reload plugins to apply. It's now available in my skills. Once you run reload plugins, it'll be ready. Want me to apply anything specific? So I gotta run it again? Okay, so this codex agent is finally done. It supposedly apparently changed the navigation UX. So let's see. Perfect. Yes, this is perfect. It's coming together. Okay. So it changed it from ideas to how you're going to shape that idea, to the agent briefing, to the build, to review, to ship, to proof. Got a good pipeline now. It's not just slop. All right, now let's see if we can fix this UI. Reloaded one plugin. I mean, all right. So we're gonna give it this prompt. How do I I was just about to ask you that, bro. You just read my mind. So I'm gonna type it. I'll give it an ultra think too. All right. This is not really gonna change like. Hold on, let me tell my Hermes agent. I just ran that prompt for cosmetic reasons, but I want to dramatically change the UI. I really hate this dark red theme. I want to make it Apple-like, sleek and white and clean. Can you give me a prompt to give my Claude agent to make that design? I want it to be as user-friendly as possible. I want the user to want to actually use the software. I want to make it eye-catching and modern 2026 style. And yeah, give me the best prompt. very detailed and concise. Install Caveman. Also, you're wasting tokens for Claude. I've never hit my limit with Claude. Like, let me see. I was about to say, what the hell? Can't even do it in there. So I've been doing this for 2 hours now, and I only use 27% of my usage. Okay. I heard the caveman skill, but I heard somebody on X say like it wasn't good. Do you use it personally? Like do it help you with that? 75% reduction? Yeah. So like what exactly does it do? Like when it responds, like can you still understand it? Because I don't like I'm new, like I'm a beginner, so I want to understand like what it actually like puts out. Because if it makes stuff like concise and shorter, you don't need super long explanations. Yeah, you're right, because that's what my Hermes agent was doing in Discord, and I basically made like a concise skill. So like every time it responds to me, it's like this. Because if I asked this the other day, if I'd have asked this, is this a UI task? It would have gave me like this super long message, bro. Like, so it just tells me like this now. I'm gonna try it. How do I npx skills add? I just copy that into my terminal. This. Okay. All right, I'm gonna run it. Can Anthropic look at your section? No, absolutely not. What the hell? Anyway. All right, so this is still changing that. When that's done, I'm going to give it this full UI overhaul prompt. Redesign Ship US visually into clean premium Apple-like 2026 SaaS interface. This is a UI/UX design pass, not a backend data model refactor. Current problem: the app feels too dark, red color, and developer I wanted to feel modern, white, sleek, premium, extremely user friendly, something a founder would actually want to open every day. Exactly. Yo, Hermes is so good, bro. Like, I don't think I would be able to do this without a Hermes agent. Like, I would, but my projects would take way longer. Like, Hermes is just so good. So good. I'm gonna knock out a 20 bomb here. Count. Count, damn it. God damn it, I did like 30 instead of 20. Holy shit. Whew. Alright. That's pretty cool using vision model to track jumping jacks. Appreciate that. Yeah, I built that because I wanted like an incentive for people to like the stream. So I just put one like equal a jumping jack. But I'll be knocking out like 20 at a time. Alright, so this is changing the UI right now. I also made this like little screen. This is supposed to be me when I go to the bathroom or something. I use image gen 2 to make that, then I just animated it with clean. So like whenever I use the bathroom or something, I just put that screen on. I don't smoke. I just thought it would be funny. Also, I have an app I vibe coded called Stream Snipe, which is running in the background, which got me these results. I've been streaming since Monday. I just started streaming Monday, and this is my stats. So what Stream Snipe does is it automatically clips my live streams after I'm done going live, and it edits them and add captions, and they put it in like 9:16 for a phone form, and I just approve the ones I want to be uploaded. Then once I approve them, it schedules them, and it's auth into my YouTube, so it just automatically uploads all the shorts. I'm gonna go to my YouTube. Ooh, I'm still tired from the jumping jack. Damn. Go to my YouTube here and shorts, and all these clips are just like straight from Stream Snipe, and it's just like form and views on my YouTube. So 225 views, 311 views, 152 views, 223 views. It's just like free traffic for my live streams. I have 1,700 views in the last 48 hours, which is phenomenal. And I gained like 6 subscribers. I should focus on Stream Snipe and make it a SaaS. Yeah, you think so? Yeah, because it's like, this is getting me a lot of views. I'm not going to lie. That's why the UI is like so shitty, because I was just using it for myself. I didn't really care about what it looked like. That's actually a good idea, though. But like, how would that work? Because how does it work? It just takes your YouTube video and clips it. Yeah, so basically I made a project. Like I made a repo with my Hermes agent. I have a thread for it right here called Stream Snipe. So basically me and my Hermes agent just created this whole thing in this Discord chat. Like it did Hermes can spawn codecs and Claude agents in the VPS, because this is all running through a VPS. It's not local. So I just tell it what to do, and it spawns Claude and code agents in the VPS, and it does it basically like how I'm doing this like local right here. And yeah, we basically just built Stream Snipe. So whenever I wanted to clip my streams, when I'm done going live, I just say, hey, go to Stream Snipe and tell it to clip 25 clips of me, and it just does it. I honestly don't even know how it worked. If I'm being dead ass, like I'm not even gonna sit here and lie. But it's pretty fucking cool. I did notice. I just wanted to. I don't know what made me think of this last night. The link, I could click the Stream Snipe link from my phone, and it was just like open to the public. Like it was all my clips in there and everything. So I'm like, oh shit. And I told my Hermes agent, I'm like, hold on, let me show you. Hold on. I said, this was yesterday, 2:48 a.m. I said, wait a minute. If anyone goes to the link, they can just use Stream Snipe. It was like, yes, you were right to catch that. then it locked it down. So whenever you go to that link now, it needs a password, and I only have the password to the website. Um, because this is not local. This is on the VPS, so I can run it like through the VPS somehow, but it's like super complicated, and I just like really hate doing it. That's why I'm making like ship OS locally, because whenever I was trying to view the updated page and everything, it was just a bunch of commands that I don't understand yet. As Hermes, what's the snack for screen stack? Hey, what's the stack for? Hold on. Hey, what's the tech stack for Stream Snack? This is taking a really long time. Do the design skill take a long make it take longer? Or this is just like it's doing that by itself? In general, it's a lot of context. It's working on all your pages. Okay. Hey buddy, can you tell me which AR bot you're using? Um this if you're talking about this one, this is Hermes. And then I'm using in my terminal, I'm running Codex on GPT 5.5 and Cloud Code on Opus 4.7. Hold on, I don't want this to leak anything. Um, okay, it's not leaking anything. All right, so this is the tech stack right here. So Stream Snipe is a pretty simple VPS hosted web stack. Front end React 18. I have no idea what this shit is, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Like Hermes set all of this up. Hermes and Codex. Front end is React 18, TypeScript, Vite, plain CSS. Built static file served from this. Backend API is Python, Fast API, UVcorn. Damn, this is a lot, Loki. React 18 web framework. Is that like, what is that? But how, bro, get unlimited credits? I only use like 9 times and I need to wait 5 hours. For which one exactly? Because Claude just got a deal with SpaceX and the usage just like not even quadrupled, like 10 times the usage. So I'm not really hitting any limits with Claude. And Codex just never runs out at all. Like I coded for 12 hours with Codex and only used 20% of my limit. All right, so database is SQLite. Clipping worker side, Python worker modules. Uses YouTube VOD download plus transcript scoring rendering flow. Uses FFmpeg for rendered vertical clip output. Has scoring logic for AI Hermes Claude style segments. Publishing scheduler. COD Codex give how many credits? Bro, if you get I got the $100 plan of Codex, and I literally code all day with it, and my session limit only uses like 20% out of 100, and it resets every 5 hours. So you're never gonna hit a limit with Codex. Like, let me show you. How do you check usage on Codex? Yeah, but the $100 plan with Codex, bro, you're good. Like forever. You're never gonna run out. Now Claude just signed a deal with SpaceX. I wasn't having any usage problems with Claude before that, but I know a lot of people who was. I'm on $100 plan of Claude Code and $100 plan of Codex, and I'm doing this for hours every day, and I never hit limits. I've been using the $20 plan, having Claude Codex use local model like Queen Coder for loops tasks. And you never hit limits. How do you feel about this tech stack? Is this because I really don't understand none of this shit. Like I kind of get like the Python thing and like the YouTube stuff. Pretty standard. Okay. Yeah. It's crazy, bro. I'm a student. I'm not able to buy a subscription. Can you afford the $20 subscription? Because if you can afford the $20 subscription, you should be good for Codex, not Claude. I never used a $20 subscription of Codex, but I'm pretty sure you're not going to hit a limit on that either. I've heard people say they don't hit limits on it. Holy shit, this Claude agent is still working. Ask Hermes how to monetize it as a SaaS with Stripe. Hey, how can we monetize Stream Snipe as a SaaS with Stripe? It's costly for me. You're probably gonna have to get like a part-time job or something, bro. If you want to code, I'm gonna be honest, cause it costs. But I'm telling you, with the $20 subscription of Codex, you can get away with it. Stream Snipe will be a moneymaker. Think so? Bro, giving me ideas. Oh, redesign cards with. Okay, cool. That's still working. All right, just wait for her to respond. I appreciate y'all checking out the stream too. I go live every day. Make sure y'all subscribe, like the stream. Appreciate y'all sticking around, man. It means a lot. Just getting started on this journey. Trying to take this to the moon. I know they ain't just put. What is this, rugby? They playing rugby on Amazon Prime? Hermes thinking about this one. Holy shit! See, it just gave me one of them long responses. Oh yeah, I gotta install that. What's the command to install Caveman? I think didn't I run it? Yeah, the command looks like something to install a third-party skill from GitHub. Not running with combinations deployed. Want me to run it? Yeah, check out the Git and make sure there's nothing harmful in there, and then download it and run it. Why is this stuck at the bottom? Oh, yeah. Why is this like? I may have to close this out and make a new one. All right. So this is what Hermes said about. I'm able to earn $10 before with Claude. Nowadays, I'm not getting any new customers. Damn, bro, this gave me a long ass response. Oh, what I was going to ask you is how would that work? Like, because I have a Opus API. I mean, not Opus. Yeah, Opus, Claude, Anthropic API key connected to this for my like for context, so it know what clips to pull, like the best clips. So like, would people have to connect their own API key, or would they be using mine? Because I'm pretty sure the cost that they pay me will outweigh the cost, because it's like cents to run uh, um like a couple clips, right? All right, so it says not AI clipping video too. You would use your API key, but what if like the usage just bundle the cost and subscription? Okay, that's what I was gonna ask. Use Stripe subscription with usage limits. Okay, so free trial, $0 for 7 days. One YouTube, Twitch video process. Now I don't know how I would do Twitch. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, yeah, that's what Hermes just said. I think 5 generated clips, watermark on exports, no auto posting. No, that's actually pretty smart, bro. And then purpose, let them feel the magic. Because is it like, is it what is that other clipping SaaS? It's like Opus, right? Isn't that like really expensive? So starter would be 19 a month for small creators. Um, includes 5 video streams per month, 25 clips per month, 720p exports, manual download, basic APIs, clip scoring, watermark removed. Good for people testing content. Creator, $49 a month. Your likely main includes 20 video streams per month, 150 clips per month, 1080p vertical exports, caption subtitles, clip editor review dashboard, auto schedule to YouTube Shorts, basic title caption generation. This is probably the sweet spot. Pro, 99 a month for serious creators, founders, agencies. Includes 60 videos per stream. 60 video streams per month, 500 clips a month, YouTube Shorts plus TikTok plus Instagram Reel scheduling. I don't know about the Instagram. I don't know about the TikTok. I don't think Instagram like auto posting, so I probably wouldn't include this. And I know TikTok doesn't like it either. TikTok and Instagram don't like auto posting. Like it's like it likes shadow bans it or something. Just MVP. Just MVP. It started with YouTube. My Hermes agent been saying that a lot. What does MVP mean? Like that's like most valuable product. I should have been asked it that, but I was just putting it to the side. Okay. Oh, minimal viable product. Team access. See this ad. What it mean? Team access. I get what it mean. Like okay, never mind. Priority queue, advanced topic targeting. Like your no, this is fire because I told my Hermes agent to target clips where I'm talking about like Hermes and Claude and Codex because those are gonna get a lot of views. So that's what it's talking about right here. This is where Stream Snipe becomes a serious business tool. Agency. $249 to $500 a month for editors, agencies, stream managers, podcasters. Include multiple client workspaces, 2,000 plus clips a month. Da 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 da. API access. API access to what? What Stripe would handle? Stripe can monthly billing, blah blah blah. Check out what we need to add to Stream Snipe. Right now, Stream Snipe is mostly your internal tool. To make it a SaaS, we need these pieces. Account system. For I use Google OAuth plus email magic links. I don't have good experience with email magic links. But how do I like how would I get an audience for this though? Cause I be posting on X, but it's like I need like a set system to post on X because it's hard just to tweet stuff. All right, ads marketing. I want a MVP with just YouTube to start. Is that Claude agent still working? Oh, it's asking me something. Oh wow, I probably added like 30 minutes to that. All right, so this one is installing the Caveman 2. GitHub not available, switching to web fetch. How did you track how much the Caveman usage was saving you? Yo, they ask for so many controls. Just use my computer like it's yours. I don't care what you do with the files. I really don't. It's nothing super important on here anyway. Besides projects, I guess. Jesus Christ. Wait. Yes, and don't ask again. Okay, let's see what Hermes said about the MVP. YPE calls usage stats to see current session usage, estimated costs, and plan limits. Okay. I feel like this is ignoring my concise skill. Holy shit, these are long responses. Yes, that's the right move. Peace. YouTube live stream. Hermes doing too much, right? Are you ignoring the concise response skill? You be having to remind bro sometimes. He said you're right. I was too long-winded. Look how much shorter this is compared to all of this. Like why couldn't that's exactly why I made that skill, because why couldn't you just it's talking about phases and bro, you could have said this in one line. Yes, MVP should be YouTube only. Build login, paste URL, generate clips, review approved clips, download. Skip for now. TikTok team, they just blah blah blah. Pricing. Free trial, 1 video, 5 clips, core pitch, turn YouTube videos, and then shorts automatically. I mean, shit. That's the play, huh? Yeah, because like, bro, Stream Snipe is really good. I'm not gonna lie. This is really helping me a lot. Like, it's literally just clipping all my videos. I mean, all my and skills and things like that. Like the base Hermes agent do. So I guess
it even cuts it.
Yeah,
like I told my Hermes agent to make sure it cuts out when I'm not talking in like dead space. So like you see this little jump,
it's like that, like the base Hermes agent do. So I
like you
guess
seen that jump right there, like it edited it.
Yeah, Devin got
and it does this in like 10 minutes, bro. Like it clips 25 clips and edit it in like 10 minutes, bro. Like that shit is crazy to me. And it automatically posted once I approve it. Oh yeah, and I made like a tweet section too. I don't think I showed you this. So whenever I approve a clip, it gets sent over here to the tweet section, and Opus 4.7 generates me tweets. It takes the context from that clip from the transcript, and Opus generates me tweets for that clip. So I guess I approved a video, had a Hermes agent set up a cron job to do research. Then this is the tweet it gave me. I had it use a certain viral format. Like I had it study Twitter. So it says this would be one of the tweets for that clip. It says set up Hermes agents on a cron last night. Its whole job scrape the web daily for pain points people are venting about. Idea generation shouldn't be mid doom scrolling Reddit at 1 a.m. Let the agent do the listening. I just read the digest. That's a great tweet. And then I connected it to my Twitter. I authored it into my Twitter, so if I click post tweet, it'll post right to my Twitter. So it's like, and then it gives you multiple, so you can click use. Stopped hunting for product idea manually. Now a Hermes agent runs a cron job, scrapes the web every day, and pulls out the pain points people are actually complaining about. Which it actually does. Like, that's what I was talking about in the clip. Like, I got a Reddit tab, and it just sends me research every day. Like, it scrapes the web for, like, pain points people are written about. I think this is that. Yeah, daily heat check. AI agent infrastructure is the hottest lane today. I need to start reading these actually. Like I don't even be reading them. Because I told it at the end of the week, like on Monday, to take all this data that it collected and make it into something like a product we can make and ship. Product stack. If you're going to build it to scale, you will need to use AWS, Fargate. How do you feel about Cloudflare? Because I was watching this one stream and the dude was like getting DDoSed and he was using AWS and it was like the firewalls wasn't set up correctly or something, but like Cloudflare supposedly like has good DDoS protection. I have no idea like what the fuck I'm talking about, honestly. Let's check on Cloud. AWS uses Cloudflare. Interesting. So why was he saying it like it was two separate things? Maybe he didn't know what he was talking about either. He probably didn't set it up correctly. Ah, I see. Yeah, he vibe coded the whole thing, so Codex set that shit up. Alright, so it's done the original UI prompt I gave it. So I'm gonna see what that looked like. I didn't give it the prompt to make it look like to make it redo the entire what is it called? Entire UI. Why is this taking so long to install the caveman still? Agent detected installing non-interactively. Alright, this is verifying smoke test in the browser. Where you from, bro? Is your name Rayan? Am I saying it right? crying. Okay, sorry about that. New Jersey, Florida. Okay, I'm from Philly. All right. Testing, testing. Testing, testing. All right, bet. All right, so agents came in skill.md. How do I activate the skill? Oh, it's only in this one. Focus on one main product. I know. I'm like kind of bad with that. Oh, was I supposed to do slash? Oh, all right, bet. I don't even know what to exit. I'm waiting for this to get done testing so I can just give it the this shit used 70,000 tokens. We're token maxing, man. If you're not using 1,000,000 tokens a day, listen. If you're not using 1,000,000 tokens a day, you ain't vibe cooling. We token maxing, we protein maxing, and we creatine maxing. If you ain't doing those 3 things every day, you ain't living. I sound like NVIDIA CEO. He be saying token maxing. He want people to use Wait, what AI is NVIDIA? Oh, is that like compute? Do people use NVIDIA compute? Like AI companies? NVIDIA GPU power all the AI LLMs. Damn, bro. They're filthy rich. And they're trying to put like data stations on Mars, right? Or not Mars, in space. H100 cars like 30K. What the hell is that? That's a GPU? Who the hell paying 30K for a GPU? Trying to build Thanos? Trying to build infrastructure for the Pentagon? God damn. To power AI. Okay. So somewhere in the world is just a bunch of computers just sitting in a room. And we're just like, every time we type something into ChatGPT or something, it just uses it. That's crazy. Like, what happens if somebody just blows that shit up? No more AI? They'll probably just build new ones, huh? It'll probably be out for like a week. Or it's probably multiple. Saying thank you to ChatGPT caused 1 week of light bulb usage and electricity. Oh my God. Bro, you know what's crazy about that? 86 million people downloaded Codex
last month or last week, something it was that they put out. 86 million people is using codecs. So imagine the fucking like, bro. Like I can't even fathom that. Like that's so much electricity and compute and power. Like, bro, that's a crazy stat you just gave me. Saying thank you to ChatGPT. Like, is that confirmed? Saying costs 1 week of light bulb electricity? God damn. I be vibe coding for 12 hours a day. I'm probably using decades worth of electricity in 1 day. And that's just me. 86 million people. Like, how is that possible? Electricity is like unlimited though, right? Like, what am I trying to say? Like, you know how we could like, I don't know, run out of water somehow? Like where, like how is electricity made? Like you make electricity? Like how, like you get what I'm asking? Like is that shit just infinite? Generators. Why is this taking so long, bro? We've been sitting here for 28 minutes. Burning coal and hydro. Damn, bro. That's actually crazy. Burning coal makes electricity. We need nuke plants to support AI. What the hell is a nuke plant? Like the atomic bomb? Nuclear power. Alright, so it's finally done with the UI. Let's see what changes it supposedly made. Watch when I, bro, this what Opus been doing lately. Watch when I refresh this. It just took 28 minutes and 100,000 tokens. Watch when I refresh this. It's like something real minor that's changed. Watch. Just watch. It changed the freaking buttons over here. That's all it changed. Oh, it changed this a little bit. Oh, wait. Yeah, I don't think this shit should have took 28 minutes, though. Like, holy. Alright, now we can give it the prompt that I've been wanting to give it. It didn't do anything. It changed the damn buttons over here. It's like numbered now. And then it changed this, like the build. Like this stuff. Which is like clunky as hell. It's just, I'm about to redesign this whole thing, bro. Well, it's not like bad. It's just like you would have to really explain how to use this because this is basically like a pipeline building. Okay, so this is all projects. Okay, I get it. So this is a pipeline for projects. So you move it down the pipeline and it just created multiple projects as like tests. Okay, ship detail, shape detail. Okay, no, we're actually getting somewhere. I'm not gonna lie. We're actually getting somewhere. But now it's like now it's too like I don't like the numbers on the side because now it's like you're telling the user how to use it. Like, oh, I got to do inbox first, then shape. I want it to be like I want it to be free. Damn, this giving me like I don't know, bro. All right, you said tell it it's a senior UI UX designer from Apple. You wanted to optimize the front end. My Hermes agent gave me a super long prompt. Basically, I'm gonna add what you said at the beginning too. So all right. I'm gonna tell it to all right. All right. You said users are idiots. Wait, why'd you say that? Because I said because the pipeline, right? It's like that shit kind of look hard to. Oh my god, I just did the wrong thing. Most people don't know how to use a product. Exactly. I need to make it simple. Exactly. All right. You're a senior UI UX designer from Apple. Comma. Now I'm gonna give it my Hermes agent prompt. Holy shit, that's a long prompt. So we're gonna go boom. No, we just gonna copy this whole shit, honestly. Boom. Cause I already told it I want it to be like Apple. Okay, launch 3 deep dive agents to assist you. And then what's the skill? How do I use the Oh. Oh my god. Damn. I just fucked that up. Oh, alright, bet. I could still type. How do I do the front end design skill again? Oh, there we go. Alright, so I'm gonna do ultra think. Then I'm gonna do front end. Like if I click enter, would it just use the skill? Oh my god. Why is it not? I have to type all this out? Oh my god, I had to press tab. Alright. Alright. So I gave you this long prompt. You're a senior UI designer from Apple. Redesign Ship OS visually into a clean premium Apple style 2026 style interface. core go to instantly communicate this flow. How do you feel about the flow? Like, I don't like inbox. Like, that needs to be a different word. That needs to be like ideas or something. Idea. Then I don't like shape either. Cause like you said, people need to know exactly like what they're using. Brief is fine, build is fine, review fine. Like these are fine, but like inbox and shape is like kind of confusing. All right. So I told it to launch 3 deep dive agents to assist it. I throw an ultra think on there, and I use the front end design skills. So this should be a massive improvement, and I'm probably about to use a lot of nuclear energy. %36% used. That's not bad. Yo, I just noticed the music wasn't playing this entire time. No one told me. Where's the music at? Oh, it ended. All right, bet. Yeah, this is like very clunky. Like, it's just like, eh. The buttons work. That's good. Oh, you can add features to what you're building. Yeah, I feel like if this was just laid out better, like, it would be way better. Oh, and the proof is like a
timeline of things that happen. Okay. This is ship OS. This is probably asking me stuff. No, it's not. Alex Hormozy and make him work as a Hermes agent for me.
That's so cool. And I'm approving them as I approve.
Alex Hormozy and make him work as a Hermes agent for me.
That's so cool. And I'm approving them as I approve them. They get scheduled. And skills and things like that, like the base Hermes agent do. So I and skills and things like that, like the base Hermes agent do. So I guess it like just Devin got nuked.
Founders don't fail from lack of ideas. They fail in the gap to ship OS. The operating system closes the gap. Capture the idea. We're token maxing right now. $62,000 tokens on the redesign. We're taking this shit to the moon, man. Let's go. Founders don't fail from lack of ideas. They fail in the gap to ship OS. The operating system. Did I not just approve this? Or just a different clip? I'm confused. You clipped the same clip twice? I hate this. Oh no. Yo, look how this looked the other day. I hate this. I'm gonna save this because it's completely redesigning it now. Founders don't fail from lack of ideas. They fail and they get shit. Approve. We're just scheduling clips to be uploaded with the click of a button. Welcome to 2026. This is a restyle task only. Okay, and are you sure we should go with Codex and not Claude? Just asking. Menu with a choice. Come on, design. Come on. This is taking a really long time, so I hope it like one shots it, bro. I really do. I used ultra thinking. I used the design skill. I told it to launch 3 sub agents. Like, there's no way it doesn't one shot this, bro. Just get my software looking right for me, man. From this, I'm gonna screenshot this. Alright, we getting there. Almost finished. Polishes and mobile fixes now. Been going for 17 minutes. Verified check plus smoke plus browser. Add desktop. Here we go. You said medium effort handles 90% of daily coding just fine. Ultra think is for that 10% debugging, gnarly race conditions, security, critical code, complex multi-life refactors. So I shouldn't be using it on UI, huh? Alright, it's finally done though. So this is what it looks like before. And we just had an Apple developer code it to look better. So let's see. I mean, Claude, man. What the hell is this? Like, why doesn't it look... Hold on. Like, why is it not coming out how it's in my head? Make this 1,000 times better. Make the user want to actually click buttons and not look like AI slop. I'm ready to use Codex for front end, bro. Like dead ass. No way Claude just spent 20 minutes for this. Like, this doesn't look like an app at all, bro. Bro, this shit looks like Internet Explorer 2007. Like, what are we doing here? Ask it to plan the UI UX rebuild first, then you ask it questions before starting building. That has potential to work. You said medium effort on Claude. I was using medium effort on Codex, and it was working pretty good. Okay, I'll switch it. Bro. I need to watch tutorials on how to front end design, bro. Like, I'm terrible at this. Why do other people's stuff be coming out better? It changed one thing. All right. Alright. Yeah, so I'm still having trouble with the UI. It looks absolutely terrible. I need to have the agent build out the plan the rebuild first, and then I critique it based off of that. This is slop. Like, it needs to look like this. This is vibe coded, right? Gotta be. This is absolutely vibe coded. Probably. Alright. Hair grease on the damn headphones. Honestly, I'm about to call it a night, bro. I'm losing IRL tokens by the second. My tokens are running out in my brain. I don't know what to do with this damn UI, man. It's vibe coded slop. This is vibe coded slop. I'm pissed. And then the landing page still looks like that. I can fix that though. Install Playwright. What's that? Ask Claude to. Oh, what is this popping up? Channel activity. Oh my god, how do I get rid of this? I can't read the comment. Ask Claude to critique the UI/UX. What, . What does this do? Browser for AI agent. How would that like? Wait, so you saying like it will be able to see what it's doing? How would that benefit the design process? For testing. My brain is fried. Token efficient, brother. Good, like skill-based workflows without large context overhead. So I should install the CLI. Claude doesn't know what to change. CLI and MCP. Alright. I just paste this into Claude, right? Wait, which one was that? That's the CLI. Oh, wait. Damn, I wasn't supposed to run that in the cloud, actually. Oh, I told you I'm running out of tokens. IRL. Playwright test runner, library plus CLI. Do I want both? Test? No, I want the CLI and the MCP though. Not the library in the CLI. Right. Project local. Global. I'll just do project local. Replace my Chrome headless screenshot script. I'd wire playwright into small scripts. Write real UI test. Set up playwright test with config. Which one should I? What the hell is this talking about? Just install it, no further setup. You'll drive it yourself. What do you want it for? Replace my Chrome. Write real UI test. Replace my Chrome. No, I don't want to do that. Right, real UI test. Sounds like I don't want to do that. Sounds like the only option is to install it. I think I'm gonna just do that. Oh, you said yeah, install. Alright. Submit answers. Okay, have Claude scripted later. Alright, so what does this do exactly? Install Chromium. I'm about to call it a night, Brewski. I'm tired. This is frying my brain. Oh, I'm gonna figure it out though. I'm gonna be live tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday, so I'll probably go live in like the afternoon. Just be live all day. I appreciate y'all. On the road to $1 million plus. We gonna get there, man. We gonna get there. We gonna figure all this out together. Appreciate y'all, chat. Love. Why do my camera look like that?